Welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 3, Multiplying Fractions. Let's look at example 1. To multiply 1/3 times 1/4, I would need to multiply my numerators and my denominators like you see in the key concept box above. But first, let's look at a visual way to picture this problem. I can use a model to represent 1/3 times 1/4. So I look at my denominators in my fractions, and my one denominator is a 3 and the other is a 4. So this will help me divide my box or my hole up into sections. I'll first divide the rectangle into 4 rows. So you can see these here, 2, 3, 4. Then divide the rectangle into 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So you should have a rectangle that looks like this grid here. Then I'll shade a section that is specified here in my problem. So this says 1/4 times 1/3. So I'll shade 1/4. And then I'll also shade going across 1/3. And the part where they overlap, where both the green and the red are shading, is right here. This is going to represent my product. So this one section out of a total of 12 that are in this full rectangle would be my product. So 1/4 times 1/3 is 1/12. If you'd like to just do the standard algorithm for this, again, you can multiply your numerators across and multiply your denominators across and make sure your answer is in simplest form. So when you do 1/3 times 1/4, you'll do 1 times 1 for your numerators and 3 times 4 for your denominators, and you would get your product of 1/12. Check the Got It problems below to check your understanding.